Commitment is key. Being committed is how you succeed in life. Commitment attracts success. When you fail and you just give up, then what are you going to gain from it? Just, oh no, this stinks. When you commit yourself and you push yourself and you learn through failure, you'll always be better and you will always improve. So commitment attracts that success. He was never supposed to make it in the league. He was never supposed to be good and never supposed to play. He was drafted 199 overall, but he always believed himself and he was always committed to being a good player. He told Robert Kraft when he was drafted, "I'm the best decision you ever made." And he proved it by winning 7 Super Bowls, 1 MVP, and 4 Super Bowl MVPs, and probably the greatest quarterback ever, because he was committed to what he did and he always wanted to be better and prove everyone wrong and that he should have been drafted higher. McDonald's is probably the most successful fast food restaurant ever because they're consistent with what they do. They're always having new ideas to bring up new things, such as the Travis Scott meal last year. Then there's the Doja Cat thing they recently did, and now they're coming out with adult Happy Meals. They're always consistent, and they're always making sure they stay on top and being consistent, which means they're committed to always being better, and they have that. People who go around and knocking on people's doors, just asking for a sale opportunity, can I mow your lawn, can I do this for you or that? These people are, there's 50-50. Some are committed, some aren't. Some just give up and be like, oh, okay, and they don't do it. But the good ones, the people who are good salesmen, they knock on that door. You say no, they learn why you say no. They improve on what they did wrong, and then they keep going to the next door. And then they learn and they learn until they succeed. The biggest thing is satisfaction. Are you satisfied with yourself? Are you happy with how you did? Do you think you could do better? Are you like that type of stuff? And then there's the people like Mark Zuckerberg, Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, who are never satisfied. They keep going to more and more and more higher levels, to keep pushing themselves, make their product better, make people want it. That's the type of stuff that people need to start doing, is to be not satisfied with everything, accept failure, and then improve on failure and keep building. It comes down to it, it's you versus you. It's all how you're going to deal with everything. Like, it's everything I just said, with how you deal with adversities, how you deal with doing wrong. And then if you can accept that failure, to commit yourself and be consistent with being better and improve, and just keep going.